Hey, welcome back. In this tutorial, we will create this banner section together. I'm Fahad Ahmed with you. Let's get started. Okay, so this is our PSD and this is the banner section. Let's zoom it. Okay, so this is the banner. We will create this banner now. Okay, at first we will take this banner background image. So here is our image. We will select Ctrl A, Ctrl C, Ctrl N, enter, and Ctrl V. Okay, so here is the background image. Okay, we will save this image, save for web. We will reduce the image resolution. Here is maximum. We will set it high. Okay, now let's save this. We'll save this image, banner.jpg. Okay, now let's go to our website. Okay, now let's delete this one and take a new section. We will change the height, minimum height. We will select VH and we will make it 100 VH. Now let's go to the style tab. Here is background type. We'll select classic. Then here is the image option. We'll upload a file, select file. We will select this banner.jpg and open. Then we will click to this insert media. Okay, so here is our background image. Let's change the position. Position will be center. Attachment default. Repeat we will set no repeat, and the size will be cover. Okay, so here is our banner background, but here is a large header. For now we can do something like we can change the theme. Go to dashboard. From here go to the appearance, and from here you can see the themes. Okay, from here we will click this add new. Then here we will search for hello. Okay, we will select this one, hello Elementor, install it and click to the activate. Now let's visit our site. Okay, our site is looking like this right now. Let's go to Elementor editor. Here it is, and we will update it and refresh it. Okay, it's looking cool now, but we will create this header a bit later. This header, logo and menu, we will create this a bit later. Okay, now let's go to the design. Here is a text. Let's copy this one, copy, and go back to editor. Okay, take a heading here. We'll paste the text here. Okay, now let's go to the design. We'll see here is 176 pt the font size, and the color is this yellow color. We'll copy this color. Okay, let's go to the style. From here we will select the color, this yellow color. We can also add this color to our global color for use later. Click this plus icon. Here is a name. Change the name to yellow and click to the create. Okay, now let's go to the typography. Font size was 176. Okay, the font family was able. Now let's go to this font family and type able. It's not a Google font, so it's not finding here. Here is a font called Notable, but these font are not same. For this tutorial purpose, we can use Oswald. Okay, font weight, we will reduce the font weight like 400, and the line height we will also reduce this 1.4. 1.1 is good. Okay, now let's go back to our design. Here is a paragraph. We'll select this one. We will copy the text. Font size is 15. Okay, from here we will go to this element and we will drag a text editor here. Okay, we will paste the text. Go to style. Color will be white, and typography, font family, we will make it Oswald. Font size will be 15. Okay, now let's go to the advanced tab. Here is margin option. Let's unbind this. We'll set a margin at right in percentage. We'll set 50% or 40 maybe. Okay, now let's go to the design. Here is a button. We'll take a button here. Okay, the button text is who we are. Let's copy this one and go to the editor. The text, we will change the text. Okay, now we will style this. Text color will be white. Background color is none. We will reduce the opacity. Okay, now here is border type. We will select solid. Border width, we will make it 2 pixel. Then the border color, we will select this yellow color. Okay, then here is a border radius option. We will make it 50. Here is padding option. We will set some padding at left and right. Top will be 10 pixel or 12 pixel. Okay, and right will be 50 pixel and left also 50 pixel. Okay, now let's go to the hover option. Here the text color will be white. Background color, we will select this yellow one, and border color also this yellow one. Okay, it's looking nice. We will set some padding at top and at the bottom of this column. Click this column icon, go to advanced. Here is padding option. Top 70 pixel and bottom will be 70 pixel. Okay, now let's update it. Now we will go to the responsive mode tablet. Okay, it's looking nice in tablet. Let's go to the mobile view. It's looking ugly on mobile view, so we can fix this. Click this heading, go to the typography, font size, we will make it 100. Okay, then let's go to this paragraph. The margin, we will set it 0. Okay, it's looking good at mobile. Now let's click this preview icon. Okay, so here is our nice banner area. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It will inspire us to create this kind of valuable content. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Goodbye and good luck.